Welcome to our video exploring the enchanting region of Tuscany, Italy. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, Tuscany offers a unique experience for every traveler. Join us as we uncover its hidden gems. Tuscany is famous for its rolling hills dotted with vineyards and olive groves. These picturesque landscapes are perfect for leisurely drives or bike rides. Don't forget to capture the breathtaking views and share them with friends. Florence, the capital of Tuscany, is a must-visit for art lovers. Home to masterpieces by Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci, the city is a treasure trove of Renaissance art. Be sure to explore its historic streets and museums. Siena, another gem in Tuscany, is renowned for its medieval architecture and the Palio horse race. The city's historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering a glimpse into Italy's rich past. Enjoy a stroll through its charming alleys. Tuscany is also known for its culinary delights. Savor traditional dishes like ribollita and papa al pomodoro, paired with world-class wines from the Chianti region. A food tour is a great way to experience the local flavors. For those seeking relaxation, Tuscany's thermal baths are a perfect retreat. Towns like Saturnia offer natural hot springs, providing a soothing escape from the hustle and bustle. Indulge in a spa day and rejuvenate your senses. The region is dotted with charming villages like San Gimignano, known for its medieval towers. These quaint towns offer a glimpse into Tuscany's past with cobblestone streets and artisan shops. Take time to explore and enjoy the local crafts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Tuscany. We hope you feel inspired to visit this beautiful region and experience its wonders firsthand. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.